In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Commonwealth Bank credit card. If you're watching this, chances are you've just received your brand new credit card. But here's the thing, that card is pretty much useless until you activate it. Before we dive into its activation methods, let's make sure you have everything you need. First off, you'll obviously need your physical credit card itself. Additionally, you might also need some personal identification details for verification, like your social security number, date of birth, or your bank account details. While not always required specifically for activation, it's a good idea to have these details handy. Step 1. You'll need to head over to commbank.com.au/activate. Once you're on this page, you'll either need to log into your existing NetBank account or create a new one if you haven't yet. After logging in, look for the Settings option, and then under the Security tab, select the Card Activation option. It'll then ask you to enter in your card number, the CVV code on the back of your card, and maybe a few personal details to complete the activation process. Well, that's how you activate your Commonwealth Bank credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.